Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna try to test this audio actually, so I can actually see if everything is working and how my voice sounds and everything. And then we'll get to solving some problems because I gotta test this setup real quick. But if you don't know who I am, or you're watching this for this far, here's my profile. Haven't done any problems, but we're gonna kick it back up just like we did in January last year. So that'll be fun. And let's hear how this sounds. Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna try to test this audio actually. And then we'll get to solving some problems because I gotta test this setup real quick. But if you don't know who I am, or you're watching this for this far, here's my profile. Haven't done any problems, but we're gonna kick it back up just like we did in January last year. Okay, I don't know what, but it sounds like my microphone doesn't sound good. I don't know. It doesn't really sound great, but maybe that also is the this also like sound that's happening in the background. Here, so that'll be fun. And let's hear how this sounds. It doesn't really sound great, but maybe that also is the this also like sound that's happening in the background. Okay, whatever. I think it's okay. It's like not great, but we'll go into solving this problem, and then maybe call it. But I need to basically probably just do these streams a lot more often than I am. So we'll go ahead and do that, and that'll be that. Solaris, hello. What's up? What is up?
Oh, you cannot hear anything I said. Well, I said hello, Solaris, and I can finally do like long live streams now, which is pretty cool because I got a new computer, which is the M4 Mac Mini. So for sure, for sure gonna be using that
Longer
very
stream times.
quickly.
So everything's gonna be just better over
Overall, I
time
think.
with this upgrade. All
All
right,
right, I'm
let's
just gonna do
try to
try to
solve
solve
like
like
problems.
problems.
Maybe every day.
Maybe.
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
It
It
probably
probably
should
should
be
be
every
every
day,
day,
honestly.
honestly.
No
No
audio.
audio. Um, Also, it's like doubling actually. What is this? Default? It's probably the AirPods.
There is audio now. Nice. Yeah, I think this should be better. Yeah, I think it should be good. Yeah, I'm trying to test settings on the new computer. Talut Salako, what's up? How's it going? All right, let's try to solve this daily. This one's kind of interesting. We want to use all characters in S and construct palindromic strings. Sound I pretty low. Yeah, I wonder if I can change it in properties. It's kind of weird because I don't know why it does this. For the Mac, it like doesn't like this microphone. It just doesn't work on the Mac, I guess, or something. Let's see here. See if I can boost it. Like just custom boost it. Like like I don't know. Advanced audio. Also, I need like suppression too, which I was using. I need to do the suppression. 300. Okay, I don't know. This actually should be better, but I don't know if that sounds really, really bad or if it doesn't sound bad or good. Uh, I guess I'll just be. I guess we're just gonna be playing around with this for a bit because no, I don't know. Let's see here. See if I can. Let's do it on the YouTube. See what's happening. No, it's still not working. Have you taken the coder? Nope. Or I have not done any coding. I've done zero, like very, very minimal coding. Def okay. Okay, well, let's try to get the suppressor audio filter thing here too. I think it's in here. Wait, hold on. Actually, pull this over. Def okay. Okay. Let's see here. So it's got 14 decibels here. It's in this yellow mark too, which should be solid. But now I just want to mute the add a filter, which I think. I don't remember how to do the filters. I thought it was in properties or maybe here filters. And then this one can create gain. This one can block out sound so you don't hear the background noise. And then you can do this one. So this should be like better overall, right? Can we say if that's better or not? Let's see. It sounds a little robotic, but you can't hear the background noise. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. All right, whatever. Whatever. I think it's like it's decent. It's not amazing, I would say, but participated better. Gen my knock. Yeah, it's still it sounds like the audio quality just doesn't sound good. I think it's because I would need a new microphone. I think I don't think the Blue Yeti is compatible with Macs, which is sad. Or I do a virtual machine, and like no, not even a virtual machine would help. I participated in as rated an coder this morning. A whim on a whim. It was my first rated participation, probably 2 months. It turns out I was right because I had a 2K performance. That's crazy. 2K is insane on coder. 2000 elo. What's up? Chen Maya. Like, yeah, 2000 is crazy. But I think I saw your rank in Discord. You sent it. You sent it in the Discord chat. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully, like, I think what's gonna happen for 2024 is that, or 2025 is there's gonna be several things happening. Right, one, I'm gonna move to the United States, and so I need to pick like which city do I want to live in. I don't know what city in the U.S. that I want. So it might be Washington, D.C. Ideally, I want a city that doesn't have a car, right? So doesn't like a city that where I don't need a car. Right, here we go. Actually, let's see requirements. Right. So city without like a car, and that's actually I think probably hit honestly. Maybe just not needing a car. That's just maybe would be nice, but maybe I can just get a car if it's like really really cheap. But ideally, I'd want stuff to do in it, and maybe like a lot of tech people. So like tech people with and maybe stuff to do. Maybe, probably not actually, because I think I'm just gonna be focusing on streaming or work. So I don't think it matters. But like it's really just these two things I think. Which anyways, all but to say is that like it's either going to be San Francisco or it'll be like Washington D.C. because I think both of these you can get away with it. But anyways, that's one goal is just I'm going to move it to the U.S. to one of these cities and spending more money there on that stuff, and then try to get to like top 1% on Leetcode and actually like consistently like, start doing this more again. So I stopped around in November to focus on the business stuff. I think we'll pick it back up and do system design a lot more too. Basically mix system design and Leetcode. And I think that's probably just it. system design in Leetcode, and then just like keep making videos. So that's the 2025 plan. I think generally. Okay, let's go here. So we've got, yeah, I think it'll be San Francisco or DC because both of these I don't think you need a car really. Betstamp still beat me though. However, my LCE low tanked because they added a test case to Q2 of the biweekly rep. Negative 48. That's crazy. It's a pretty big dip off of the test case they added. Big dip from the test case. Okay, let's go over to here. Construct K calendar and strings. Okay, so there's a couple observations here, which is that okay, well, we want to pair palindromic strings. Now these really should only take 2. The problem is I want to count these, but it's this one I don't like that much as an example because there's too many pieces, but I think maybe we just take 2 for each word is what I'm thinking. Is that like we know like palindromes always consist of like 2 words, like minimum. Like you need like two of each. And you're allowed like 1 exception. So you can have like A, B, B, A, and then you can do like A, B, B, like or A, B, C, B, A. All right, so you can have 1 exception. But for everything else, you're gonna want like 2. And so what I'm thinking is that we just count everything that's in here and then see if we can pair off everything that has 2 in it. So even if we have like A, or like if we have like 4 A's, and we could just put it into the hash map, right? Like this, we got 4 B's. Well, we can just split these. So again, the K is 2. Well, then we can just split these with like, you know, A will get 2 here. Like you'll get a 1 and a 1, and then we'll put like 2 B's here. And we know it works from that. And then we take the other 2 and put them here, and then put them here to fill up the K's. And then when K is 0, we check the map to see like what did we use and what didn't we use. And the problem is though, is that like, what if you have one that's like a C that has like a 1 and K is 0? Well, what if we just go through all of them and we're like, okay, well, let's just put it here. And then we're like, okay, well, let's put it here. This is the Leetcode daily. Owen Wu. Construct K palindromic strings. K palindromic strings. Yeah. What I could do too is also like put the Leetcode problem on the screen, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Okay, but like basically, I think for this problem, we want to do something like that where we create, where we just take from all two, like we know we're gonna want to make 2 words, and so we just have like 2 buckets, and then every word is gonna have like 2. I think. I mean, I think it's okay to take 2 from every word. Now the problem is like, what if this is like too big though? What if it's too big? I need to think about that case where like, what if one is like 50 and the other one's like 50? I solved this one. Nice. Well, then we can take 2 and 2 and then 2 and 2 for the word 1, word 1 pocket, or have like 2 word pockets, right? Whatever. But like the 2's go here, the 2's go here, and then everything else that's remaining. So we got like 46 with 46, and then we say that we can just put it, because this is even, we can just dump it all into the first one. Doesn't matter if this is even. The only issue is if there's odds. So then at that point we only count the odds and we're like, okay, they can't be empty, they have to have something. But ooh, maybe we just add the odds first to every pocket. Yeah, maybe we just add the odds first to every pocket instead of adding evens. Because the problem is we can have something that's like 3, which is pretty annoying. If length of s is less than k, return false, else return true. That's it. Yeah, you'd have to actually get through the explanation of that. Let's see here. Also, I don't. This thing is like so loud on this concert that's happening outside my house. I'm gonna mute my microphone while I guess to prevent like the sound. However, there's some background noise. Yeah, it's coming from that concert. Yeah. Okay, I think if it's odd, we're still just taking one then. So really we just iterate over all the odd ones, place the odd one inside, and then it's fine if it's even because it'll always match out. And then we can move our pointer over and then see if we can find the next odd for that. And then if we don't find any more odds, then that's it. I think that's the solution actually. So we can go ahead and do that. So like we can have like some counter. See, is my screen like too small too? I don't know if this is a. I gotta do like a test on this screen. I like the drawings. Seems like they're better. But yeah, this is fine. You can read this for sure. For sure. Concert shouldn't be so loud. Yeah, well, welcome to Columbia. Now it's also like I'm right next to it, I think. So yeah, that's like a thing. So I'm gonna cut this out, the solution out. I think the solution works. I think it's a good working solution. Okay. So we want to count the things and then just go through KV and then let's say we've got like I don't know, pointer. I don't know. Call it pointer. In c.items. Bro, what is happening?
Okay, I think this actually works, right? So like basically we just want to keep doing moving the pointer while we find something that's like odd, and then like if we ever grow out of bounds, like we know, okay, well this is like never gonna happen. And let's run it. String. It's a string. What? K's not a string though. Oh, I missed it. This is like the second time I think I've done this too. You guys are recent in there. Not bad. Not a bad problem. Okay, and I did not pass it. Right, I'll be right back.
Okay, back. 101 out of 109 test cases. What? What are you talking about? Did you change the sound? I muted the microphone. I never change the sound. Sometimes they play music and sometimes they don't. Uh, Yeah, I don't know what you mean 101 and 109. But anyways, CR. Okay, so what happened here? We returned true. Ah, because it has to, the pointer has to equal K. So like if pointer not equal to K, then we return false. If we finished everything. Okay, so now we messed this one up. Okay, why did that happen? Print pointer K. Hmm, that's weird. No, but it's fine for this one. Okay, why doesn't it work for this? Why is this one return false? Because CR is too small. Like CR is too small, but this one is big enough. Maybe, maybe it's based on the length of like the counter, possibly. That's another dimension of it. So it's like 5 year, but it's like 2 year. So like it could never work. Five, five letters that we can use versus 2 letters we can use. And honestly, I wouldn't even mind changing them and like just deleting them if I've already like considered me using it. Oh God. Thought this one would have worked. The problem is I don't fully understand why this one is bad. Which I should probably understand. Should probably understand. Because we have an even split of viewers for anyone curious. 4 on YouTube and 4 on Twitch. Okay, let's see, let's see. What if A N A N B. So this is the one that's ticking it. Is we get the B here. So let's just remove it. Like I don't know if this is gonna cause an issue, but like C at key minus equals 1 if C at key equals to 0. I think it's really bad if you just delete like this while you're iterating. So I don't even think it's gonna allow me to do this. I wish, but I can't do it. Um, you could maybe do that. Maybe they'll let you change the values. Yeah, just not the actual thing you're iterating over. For kvnc dot items right now. I don't know. This is like overkill. There's no way. Because I want to add this so I can say like what if it's just greater than? How about that? If pointer like if pointer plus length of C greater than K, return true, return false or something. Nope, not good enough. Okay. Well, this is gonna be a short stream too, just to, like, I can test this thing real quick. But I'll be streaming more often, and I'll see you guys. Though I hate to cut it super short, but I'll figure what's wrong with this. I think, but it's something with the pointer, the link, the counter, and then K. I think there's some relationship between those. It's like 4 4. Like if it's equal, we just return true. Or if it's less than or equal to, how about that? How about that? How about that? How about that? Do we just fix this or no? Let's see if we fixed it. See if we fixed it. Nope. Mistake. It's even worse actually. Okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, and